In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI UGC video with a perfect LeapSig.
Hello! Welcome to Novoads! This is the best platform for creating UGC videos.
And the platform that we're going to use is Novoads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. So once you arrive here, you need to create an account, and after that, you will arrive here. Here, we need to go to the Talking Actors section, and here we need to click where it says Add Actors. Here, we can go to the official actors, and here we have more than 100 actors that you can use for your videos. But if you want to create one by yourself, you have to go to the My Actors section, and here we need to click where it says Create Actor. Now we have to click here. Now we have to click here again. And now we have to upload an image of a person, or could be an AI image. For example, this girl was created with AI. But as you can see here, I have created videos, actors, with an image of myself. So let's click here. Now click in Select Your Actor. And now we have to click here. Now we have to change these filters in gender, female, age, young, languages, English. And now we have to search for a voice that we like.
Check out the new promotion from Glow Girl.
Well, I like the first one, so I'm going to use this one. Now we have to click here where it says Pick Voice. Now we have to click here where it says Create Actor. And now if we go down here, here is the actress. Now we have to click where it says Save Changes. And now to create the video, here, I'm going to use the following text. That is what the girl will say. And now we have to click. And now here to preview the audio.
Hello! Welcome to Novoads! This is the best platform for creating UGC videos.
Well, I like it, but I'm going to increase a little bit the stability and the similarity. Actually, the speed too, a little bit. So now let's regenerate the audio.
Hello! Welcome to Novoads! This is the best platform for creating UGC videos.
Perfect. I like it, but here you can try as many audios as you want. Now we have to click here, and now click in Generate. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the video, so now let's see it.
Hello! Welcome to Novoads! This is the best platform for creating UGC videos.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. And the LeapSig was perfect. So if you want to try this platform and create videos like this one, I want to tell you that in Novoads we have an offer that you can try the platform for just $1. With that, you will receive 10 credits that, for example, that means that you can do a minute-long video like this one. So well, I recommend you to try the platform, and if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section, and see you in the next video.